In this video, I'm going to talk about private methods and Java reflection. Private methods are fundamental concepts in Java, and it is essential for encapsulation. They allow a class to hide its internal details from other classes, promoting modularity and reducing the risk of unintended invocation. Look at this code. The example class is really simple, and it has just one private method, and we all know that the private method has to be called within the class. Now the question is there any way to call the private method outside of the class? Yes, it is possible. We can use Java reflection. Reflection is a powerful feature in Java that allows us to inspect and manipulate classes, fields, methods, and constructors at runtime, even if they are private. Despite the restricted access, private methods can be invoked outside their class using reflection. This can be particularly useful for testing and debugging purposes. Let us have a look at our example class again. If we need to write the JUnit test case for this simple private method, then there is a problem, because we all know that this method cannot be invoked from outside of the class. Java reflection is the rescue for such situations. Let us look at our test class. We are using the Java reflection package to access the private method. To get the reference of the private method, we used these two lines, and to invoke the method, we can use the invoke method. It is so simple. Let us run this test class. The test case is working as expected. Private methods are crucial for encapsulation in Java, but reflection provides a way to access them when necessary, especially for testing and debugging. This powerful tool should be used wisely to maintain code integrity.